I'm Tim Monyu with Edson Incorporated, and I maintain the computer systems and everything else there. And we had a problem about a week ago. Came into the office and the computer that we do all our payroll on and everything was dead. It wasn't working. So we were worried what we were going to do. Couldn't get the drive to come up and work. So at first we panicked, and then we went on to the internet and looked for some drive recovery places so we could recover some of the files maybe. Went online and found this ASAP company here, and they were able to recover all of the data, it looks like, so we're able to go forward. We're so very thankful for it. And, data is something that's very precious. You don't realize it until you lose it, how important it really is to have it backed up. So it's wonderful that they're around to back up those kind of files. Otherwise the information would be lost to us. So we're very appreciative, and their time to finish it was very nice. We dropped it off on a Friday, and here I am Monday, and they had recovered all the information. And the next day I picked up a drive right here that has all my information on it that I need. So that's great. Thank you so much.